Hi everybody, welcome to another session of Back to the Blackboard. So I get a lot of questions about, hey Joel, what's the difference between there and there? Especially in conversation. Most of my students, when they see it written, they're good. But in conversation, it can be difficult. So let's talk about these. It won't take long. So there, we often use when we talk about objects. For example, there is one chalk, okay? Also, we could say there are. Okay? There are two. You can say things like, there is someone knocking at the door. There are many students in my classroom. There are many teachers at my school. That's how we use there. Now, there, and it sounds the same, there is a contraction. Okay? It's simply a contraction of they are. For example, they are intelligent. They are beautiful. They are angry. They are. Well, in English, we can contract these two words. Sorry about that. There. Okay? They're sad, for example. They are sad. They're sad. Okay? So there, T-H-E-R-E, there is one, there are two, there are many people coming to my party today, but there is a contraction of they and are. Okay? They are very nice. They're nice. Okay, that was a simple explanation, but I know you guys have it. Send me any questions you might have, and never give up. Keep on studying. See you next time.